Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the phone and powering it off, safety first. Once done, lay everything on a clean, flat surface so debris won't return to the case. Use a soft cloth with 1/2 cup warm water and a drop of gentle soap to wipe large surfaces. This lifts oils and surface dirt. For crevices, dampen a cotton swab and work slowly so liquid doesn't pool. Make sure to test any cleaner on a hidden corner to avoid discoloration. Once the initial grime is gone, focus on textured edges and phone button cutouts. You should use a soft toothbrush in gentle circular motions to dislodge trapped particles without scratching. For fabric or suede covers, use minimal liquid and blot with a microfiber cloth rather than rubbing, because agitation damages fibers. Make sure to rinse and wring your cloth frequently to avoid redepositing dirt. If the case contains adhesives or electronics, you finish by drying and inspecting the case carefully. Air dry flat on a clean towel for at least 1 to 2 hours and avoid direct heat or sunlight which warps plastics. Once fully dry, reinstall the phone and check for residue, loose edges, or remaining dirt. Make sure the fit is secure. If a stain or odor persists, make a paste of baking soda and water, spot treat gently, then rinse and dry again. If adhesive peels, consider replacing the case to protect your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.